What's up YouTube family? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to see the easiest way to get some inspiration for our ads, okay? If you're looking to make some ads campaign, you can use this great tool called Facebook Ads Library, okay? This is a great way to find inspiration. Just go to Google, type Facebook Ads Library, click here, and this tool is totally free, okay? So if you live in the United States or you want to find ads on some country on a specific, let's check the United States. We select here United States. On ads, you can just choose all ads, and we search, for example, let's say for phone cases. Yes, if you sell phone cases, we're going to see a list of ads, active ads running right now for phone cases. Okay, you can see the descriptions right here. You can get some inspiration with the pictures. You can see they use some emojis to express sentiment. Okay, we have more. Look at all these ads for these cases, these Pella cases, Blue Phonet cases. You see right here, Blue Phonet. You see right here, Blue Phonet. They have a lot of ads on Facebook. Okay, so you can check right here and find some inspiration for your ads. Okay, remember, when you're making Facebook ads, you need to meet some specific criterias to get let's say to get the perfect ad. Okay, so the customer can see your ad and buy your product. Okay, let's check right here another example for maybe, let's see, mouse gamer. Okay, mouse gamer. We see right here all these gamer mouses. You can see a keyboard right here. We have a PC gamer here. I mean, you can use mouse gamer, but maybe it's not the correct keyword because it's showing me keywords, PCs, maybe some other stuff, pre-builds. Okay, nothing to do with the mouse. Let's see fitness. It's a wide competition range. We can see fitness here. This is like a routine, a Facebook routine. You see right here, these people selling maybe a course for fitness. You can see this ad right here. It's looking good. Okay, G2N Fitness. Okay, it's a webinar. They're selling a course, a webinar course, and you can watch right here all these ads. Okay, depending your niche. Remember, if you had a specific niche, you can search right here. You can search right here on the country. Maybe you live in the United States or outside the United States. You can specific here, credit, employment, the type of ad you're looking for, and just write the keyword and you will see all the ads. Okay, this is a great inspiration because if these people is selling with these ads and they having success, you can replicate that success by making a similar ad. Okay, with your product. Please take note, use your own images, use your own description, and it will be totally fine. Okay, it will be totally fine. Just don't write this same. Okay, don't write this same text. Okay, just write your own text depending your niche. Use your pictures, use all your product information by yourself. Don't steal any other images, because Facebook can block your account. Okay, so this is a great tool. This is one of the greatest tool I've ever heard about Facebook ads, and it's totally free. Okay, so feel free to check it out right here. Google Facebook ads library, and just pick the country, the subject, and that's it. Just start exploring and get some inspiration for your ads. Okay, hope you like this video, my friends. Please subscribe and share, and see you soon.